my Easygami video. Today we're going to be making a cute puppy dog head. All right, let's begin. First, you don't need to have origami paper. Just take a regular piece of paper, fold it like this. Make sure there's not a crayon rolling in your way. Crease that down. All right, so then you have this random rectangle. So you're gonna take your scissors. This cutting is gonna take me like a hot second because I'm left-handed and these are right-handed scissors. But I'm gonna cut and do my best. All right. Next, you're going to fold it over again. This is important because you really want this crease right here. You really want that. All right. So it helps to get that crease really creasy. That's not a word, but I just said it, so it's a word now, creasy. You're gonna put your fingernail like that. All right, you're gonna unfold it so it looks like this. You're gonna take this part and fold it down so it's right at the center of that crease. Like this, like so. See my crease? Like so. As you might guess, this is gonna be the ear. You're gonna do the same thing to the other side. All right. Now, you're gonna flip it over. Take the top part like this and fold it down. Then you're going to take this bottom part and fold it down as well. Finally, you're going to draw the face. All right, so a little eye here, whoop, a little eye there, whoop, and I liked the little upside down triangle for his nose. And there you have an Easygami puppy dog head. I hope you enjoyed and hope to see you at our virtual programs. Thank you and have a nice day.